name is Betsey, and I am the Program Director with Arts for Life at Brenner Children's Hospital. Welcome to our virtual studio where we believe that art is for everyone. Today on Arts for Life's virtual studio, we will be creating a nature mandala. Here are some photos of nature mandalas I've made with my daughter. This one was a challenge to create a color wheel. There's one from the fall with lots of beautiful fall foliage colors. This one's from the spring. You can see some dandelions and daffodil in there. Another fun one from the fall. That one has mushrooms. And here's one that a friend of mine made. The only materials that you will need for a nature mandala are plants and other natural materials you find outside. Here's what I've collected for today's mandala. Lots of different materials, and you might use all of them, you might not. Now we're ready to start creating. I'll show you a fun time lapse of how to make the mandala, and then you can unplug and go outside to create your own. Let's get creating. You can work big. Some of the mandalas I've made are 4 feet across, or small, like I will do today. You can start from the inside and work out, or from the outside and layer to work in. Either way you choose, you'll be creating a radial design, which is symmetrical, with elements placed equally around the center. Thank you so much for tuning in to Arts for Life's virtual studio. I hope that you enjoyed creating with me today. Here is my finished nature mandala. Yours will look different than mine, and that is my favorite thing about nature mandalas. Each one is unique to the plants and nature in our own yard, and they are different in every season. I encourage you to create one in the summer, fall, winter, and spring. We would love to see what you made today. Please tag us at Arts for Life, NC. And remember, art is for everyone.